Hello everyone, I'm Marc. I'm a blockchain security engineer at ChainSecurity, and I'm going to give this lightning talk to talk about try-catch in Solidity and speak about some edge cases that we still see are not understood fully by developers, and I mean also by some auditors sometimes. So here's a recap of some edge cases. So I hope everyone knows what try-catch is. Try-catch can be used to wrap external calls or contract creation. And there's three different catch clauses that can be used with it: the error, the panic, and let's call it the low-level catch clause. So the error clause would be used on normal reverts with a reason, in condition, whereas like panics would happen when like it is for errors that are not supposed to be there in bug-free code, such as like arithmetic overflow, invalid array accesses, or division by zero, and asserts. And the low-level fallback is any errors that do not match the above two. So, for example, decoding the error data of the error or the panic, if this fails, would then be caught in the low-level fallback clause. Also, out of gas and custom errors would fall back into that one. And let's do a small quiz, right? Like this is a simple example: external call into interface I of a function foo, with an argument that comes from an internal call. And the question is like, can this revert, right? Because we use a low-level catch clause, this should catch everything, right? And turns out there's several reasons, right? First one, if the internal call reverts, even though we are inside our try, we will revert. The second one is a bit more complicated, is if C is an EOA, then Solidity performs before we enter the try part, we perform an X code size check, and if this one fails, we will revert. Since 8.10, the X code size check is however not done if we expect some non-zero return data size, which is our third reason, right? If we don't get the expected return data size from our external call, we will also revert and not catch this. So generally, we can think about it that everything, all the reverts in the external call will, in the callee, will be caught, whereas like reverts coming from the caller and checks introduced by Solidity that are done before the external call will not be caught. Takeaway also, reverts inside a try or catch blocks are not caught, as you can see in the above example. As I said, Xcode size checks and return data size checks are not caught, and also the ABI decode failure on return data are caught. Thank you very much. That was all. I hope you have a great day.